We wait for the needles to marry.
Okay.
Then we go to 2,000 RPM. About 15 inches and 2,000 RPM. We do a back check. We do a split needle. Back to 2,000 RPM. All this will disappear once we get going and airflow is better.
Alright.
We check the tip path plane. Then we go from top to bottom.
Spruce Creek Airport. Automated advisory. Wind calm. Visibility better than 10 miles. Temperature 25. Dew point missing. Altimeter 3012. Transmit radio check.
Good morning. Good morning.
Power 10 of 10.
Spruce Creek, anybody in the pattern Spruce Creek? Take the friction off.
Alright.
Do it with me. Hang it. Slightly follow me with me, okay?
Alright.
A little bit of left pedal.
Alright.
We increase the RPM. We want to be in the green arc. And we slowly start lifting the collector. Everything very slowly.
Right.
Anytime now it'll start getting light. Spruce Creek, white helicopter taking off, runway 24 midfield, tank departure, Spruce Creek.
Flies pretty nice.
It'll do somewhere around 60, 65 knots.
Right.
We're pulling almost maximum manifold pressure right now, but when we level off it won't be so bad. We'll be around 25 inches.
Okay.
Right now we're at 28. And we stay over the fields and on the road because we don't want to be over woods
Right.
in case something goes wrong.
Yeah.
Alright. Now, you have your light on the controls with me?
Yep.
Alright. Go ahead and take the cycle. Take the cycle.
Cycle.
You got the cycle.
Alright.
Now you take the collective.
Alright. Collect.
Follow the road.
Follow the road. Yeah.
Maybe we don't want to climb much higher than this. Bring down the collective a little bit.
Okay.
And bring back the throttle a little bit. There's no governor on this, so when you come down, you have to reduce throttle a little bit.
Right.
Keep it right about there. That's good.
Okay. Yeah. No small governor.
There's no governor. Tiny bit more RPM, just a tiny bit more twist.
Alright. So right there.
Bit more. In the middle of the green arc.
Okay.
If you're getting too slow on it, just lower the collective a little bit. That's
Okay.
faster for you. Just follow the road.
Got it.
You can just twist your wrist a little bit outwards.
Outward.
Outward.
Alright. Like
You
this.
want a little bit more RPM. You want to be in the middle of the green arc.
Alright.
Yeah, don't bother looking in here. Look outside.
Right.
Just listen to the engine.
Yeah.
If it gets slow, I'll tell you. You're in a slight left bank.
Alright. Go straight.
There you go. There you go. Don't climb.
Alright.
Doing good.
Trying to get back over the road. That's why I'm kind of back.
Well, we got brass. We're okay.
All
We
right.
just don't want to be over the woods.
Okay. Works for me.
A tiny bit more RPM.
Okay. So
Outwards.
outward.
That's it. A bit more.
There we go.
Hey, stay in the green.
Alright. Alright.
See the lake?
Yep.
Let's go to the lake. Stay on the road while you go to the lake, just because you don't want to be over all this woods.
Right.